Hey, PC volunteers in the New York City office of Peace Corps. My daughter tells me you've been watching Living Fit with Casey. So, I made sure that I recorded the latest show just for you guys. So thank you for watching. And I would be happy to get some exercises together for you for your retreat this summer. So look for that. Thank you.
It's time for Living Fit with Casey here on MetroCast Channel 10. Now, here's Casey with this week's show.
Welcome to Living Fit. Oh, I got the trusted ball out today, the stability ball. We're going to work some core muscles. I just can't get enough of those core muscle work. Make sure you see your physician before starting any exercise program. Okay. This ball is just a little bit big for me, but it's okay. Okay, the reason they call it a stability ball is because you are using balance and stability to stay on this ball. It's kind of tough when you first get on it, so be very careful when you do. Okay, find a spot. I support my entire back on here except for my shoulders, and that's okay. Your range of motion is up to you. You can still get a good workout right here. The balance issue, you get to work on that. That's a good thing because it's hard to work on your balance. Okay, hands behind your head. Face up, lift, and lower, nice and slowly. The difference between this and being on the floor is I have no support back here on my back. So it's about twice as hard to utilize the ball. Elbows are open, and my hands are like this far apart on the back of my head. Do not do this, because you'll start to pull up. We don't want to pull up on our necks. We want to utilize rectus abdominis from here to here. Oh, good. I tell you what, these are almost shot right now from those few that I did. A wonderful workout. Lift and lower. How's your food intake, folks? Less processed foods is what Living Fit with Casey says. Okay, we have one more, because that's about all I can do. Next, I'm going to do some oblique work. Same area, hands behind your head. This time I'm just going to lift shoulder to knee, not elbow to knee. It creates a different dynamic. Lift and lower. You can alternate sides or do the same side, up to you. Oh, boy, do I feel it in my oblique muscles. Stronger tummy muscles means stronger, more well-supported back. Inhale, exhale. Usually we inhale on the exertion. Oh, good. Oh, boy, do I feel that. Try to do as many as you can do to failure. Okay, we're going to do the other side. Lift one shoulder to knee. Visualize that. Not the knee to the elbow, because that creates a different dynamic. Too much pulling up on your neck. Nice and slowly. And breathe. Lots of big, deep breaths. Working those intercostal breathing muscles. Obliques. A little bit of back work. Woo. Okay, we're going to do one more. Oh, that is so wonderful. What a great workout that is. And also, we'll do a little bit of stretching right here. Make sure you're stretching those muscles out after you work them. Okay? Sit tall. And do a little bit of twisting. Your spine likes this spinal rotation. That's what it was developed for. It can do spinal rotation. It bends. And you do want to do that. Take the full range of motion. And look over the shoulder. That is so good. Email me at livingfitwithcasey@hotmail.com. I will help you out. Thank you for being here today on Living Fit.
You've been watching Living Fit with Casey.